Hi everyone, this is Vatsalya from NRI Institute of Technology. Today my topic is about blue brain technology. So first of all let us discuss about what is blue brain technology. So human brain is one of the valuable creation of God. So for example let us take an person, the feelings, the thoughts, what he's feeling inside and what are the actions or the thoughts going in his mind that are virtually we can see in our system or we can know what a person is feeling from inside. For this we are introducing virtual brain by using blue brain technology, and human brain detects the and translate the information delivered by the impulses, and then it enables the person to react. So here the main key point is the intelligence of that particular brain which is connected to the virtual brain. So here we will use nano robots which are very small. They are transmitted into our spinal cord and they will travel to the brain neuron system and they will activate the neurons and they will send the information to the system, to the computer, and there we can analyze what the person is feeling or is thinking. So IBM is a very good organization. So IBM is now in research to create this virtual brain technology called blue brain. So the blue brain technology is the first virtual brain in the world. It is a machine that can function as a human brain even after the death. So if a person is in his death position, by using this virtual brain technology, we can keep the thoughts and the feelings or the thinking of that particular person we can save in our systems by using blue brain technology. And IBM is developing a virtual brain technology in partnership with scientists at Switzerland, which is EPFL. The virtual brain will be implemented within 13 years and will be able to scan ourselves to the computer. So let us discuss about what is a blue brain. So blue brain technology is otherwise known as artificial brain. So it seems same as like human brain. So in present world, scientists are in a research purpose to create an artificial brain, so which is also known as a virtual brain. So virtually we can see what are the thinking thoughts or the feelings of a person. So that can think, respond, the ability to take decision and keep everything in memory. So to upload the human brain into machine is the main aim of this particular technology. So here an individual person can think, so he can respond to something, and that ability to take resolution without any invader. So after the death of an individual person, by using this technology, it will be act as a man. So even after the death of that person, this virtual brain will not lose the knowledge or the personalities, memories and the feelings what that particular man had. So this is the main purpose of the blue brain, to keep our memories safe. So next we will discuss about virtual brain. So virtual brain is an artificial brain, so it can act as the human brain. So here it can think like human brain and it has the tendency to take his own decisions based on the past experience and response as the human brain can. So here just we will discuss about the working of virtual brain. So nanorobots, the functioning of nanorobots is very important and they are very small. By using those nanorobots, we can perform this. So the nanorobots will transfer the information to the system. Then thereby using C++ and Java coding purpose, then only we can transfer the data from one form to another form. And here it is possible by using a supercomputer with a large amount of storage capacity, processing power and an interface between the human brain and its artificial brain. So that interface is nothing but the transformation of information by nanorobots. So through this interface, the information is stored in the human brain can be uploaded into the computer. So the knowledge, the intelligence or the information of anyone can be kept and used forever even after the death of that particular person. So why we need virtual brain? So intelligence has been defined by the capacity of logic, emotional understanding, self-awareness, learning, creativity and problem solving. Like this, many are there. So generally, if a person can describe his feelings, everything, first he will have some imagination. So in that he can feel, he can live another world. So to predict that or to show that virtually, we use virtual brain. So it is the ability to perceive information and to retain in its knowledge. So here we need intelligence is the one of the inborn qualities of a person that cannot be created. Some people will have special skills. They can able to think up to some extent where other cannot reach. So human society is always in need of such intelligence, but that intelligence is lost along with the body after that. So that virtual brain is created as a solution to it. So let us discuss now working of that virtual brain. First of all, there is a system. I said before, by using nano robots, we will transfer the information. So the uploading is only possible by the use of nano robots. Otherwise, they are called as small robots. They are very small. And here, these nano robots have the tendency to travel through the circulatory system, as I said, through our backbone. So the nanorobots traveling to the spine and then to brain, they will able to monitor the structure and they will activate the neurons around the brain, activities of central nervous system. So these nanorobots will able to provide an interface between computers. So these nanorobots, they will scan the structure of that particular brain and the neurons, and they will provide a complete readout of the connection. And this information is stored in the brain that will be uploaded in the computer through that particular interface. So once the microcircuit is built, the blue gene is pressed inside to solve the complex mathematical equations that preside over the electrical activity. So these electrical impulses then travel from one neuron to other. The blue brain team is working for the computation to create 1 second activity that can be modeled in 1 second. So now let us discuss about advantages and disadvantages. So there are so many advantages so that people can remember things without any effect even after the death. So here the main perspectives are the knowledge, intelligence, personalities, feelings of that particular person will not be lost even after the death. So virtually we can store in the computer or we can see them. So through the electric impulse from the brain of the animal, their activities can be easily understood. And it is very useful for deaf and also allows them to hear via direct nerve stimulation. And disadvantages. So main disadvantage is that people will become dependent upon the computer. So they will not use their own intelligence for doing anything. And this may affect in their personal life. So others may use technical tricks and intellectual against us. Next, computers virus will result in critical threat. So now let us see the software and hardware requirements. So it needs 22.8 teraflops peak processing speed, and it has 8096 CPU at 700 megahertz, which is a downgraded to handle the massive parallel processing. And it need a memory processor that is 256 MB to 512 MB per processor. And here the softwares are Linux and C++. The programming will be done in that particular platforms. And power consumption is 100 kilowatts, and it is a very powerful nanorobots are used here to act as the interface between the natural brain and the computer. So hence I want to conclude that virtual brain is also called as blue brain, so which help us to transfer ourselves into a computer at some points to keep our feelings or our imagination thoughts in a system, which we can see after our death also. So through the combination of biological and digital technologies, we will be able to overcome the serious threats that are raised. Thank you.